A dose of bad news for Indian pharmaceutical stocks as US President Donald Trump once again threatened to impose significant tariffs on pharmaceutical imports. The announcement triggered a 1.7% drop in the sector as investors braced for the potential economic impact. The US market accounts for roughly a third of India's pharmaceutical exports, making the threat of tariffs a critical concern for the industry.
Be announcing very shortly a major tariff on pharmaceuticals, and when they hear that, they will leave China, they will leave other places because they have to sell. Most of their product is sold here, and they're going to be opening up their plants all over the place in our country.
Now, Trump's comments came after his previous set of reciprocal tariffs, which had initially exempted pharmaceutical products, causing volatility in the sector. While the exact timing and scope of the new tariffs remains unclear, the uncertainty has weighed heavily on investor sentiment. The Indian pharmaceutical sector, which predominantly exports generic drugs to the US, is particularly vulnerable to such tariffs. These generics are currently exempt from US levies, while India imposes a 10% tax on American drug imports. With the new tariffs, US drug manufacturers may be incentivized to shift production to the United States, though setting up such operations is seen as a difficult and, of course, a costly process. The Indian Pharma Index has dropped 14.4% this year, further highlighting the strain in the sector. As the situation continues to unfold, industry stakeholders are hoping for a cure to their market woes. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.